At the World Cup, not every match is remembered because of the number of goals. Some games live on because of the drama, the comebacks, and the unforgettable moments that last until the very final whistle. The 2026 FIFA World Cup was full of thrilling encounters that kept fans glued to their screens. These are the top 10 matches of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Let's get started with number 10. Number 10, Brazil versus Japan. Our first match comes from the round of 32, where Brazil faced Japan in one of the tournament's most exciting clashes. Everyone expected a comfortable Brazilian victory, but Japan shocked the football world when Kaishu Sano opened the scoring in the 29th minute. Brazil pushed relentlessly for an equalizer, and Casemiro finally found it with a brilliant header in the 56th minute. From that point on, the match became completely open, with both teams creating dangerous chances. Japan came close to scoring a dramatic winner, but deep into stoppage time, in the 90-plus 5th minute, Gabriel Martinelli struck the decisive goal to complete Brazil's comeback, securing a thrilling 2-1 victory and a place in the round of 16. It was a match packed with excitement that wasn't decided until the very last moments. Number 9. England versus Croatia. From the very first round of the group stage, England and Croatia delivered a game that fans simply couldn't look away from. England struck first through Harry Kane, who converted a penalty in the 12th minute. Croatia responded in the 36th minute with an equalizer from Martin Baturina. Before the celebrations had even settled, Kane scored his second goal in the 42nd minute to restore England's lead. Then, right before halftime, Peta Musa found another equalizer in the 5th minute of stoppage time, sending the teams into the break level at 2-2. Just 2 minutes into the second half, Jude Bellingham put England back in front, and 5 minutes before the end, Marcus Rashford sealed the victory with England's fourth goal in the 85th minute. The match ended 4-2 and became one of the most entertaining group stage games of the 2026 World Cup. But the match in 8th place delivered even more drama. Number 8. Norway versus Senegal. In the second round of the group stage, Norway and Senegal delivered one of the most thrilling matches of the tournament. The first half remained deadlocked until the 43rd minute, when Marcus Holmgren Pedersen capitalized on a defensive mistake to give Norway the lead. Just 3 minutes into the second half, Erling Haaland doubled the advantage in the 48th minute. Senegal responded almost immediately, with Ismail Assar pulling one back in the 53rd minute. But their celebrations lasted only 5 minutes, as Haaland struck again in the 58th minute to score his second goal of the match, and Norway's third. Everyone thought the game was over, but Senegal kept fighting until the very end. Deep into stoppage time, in the 90-plus 3rd minute, Ismail Assar scored his second goal of the match, making for a dramatic finish. Norway held on to win 3-2 in a match packed with excitement from start to finish. Number 7. Morocco versus Netherlands. In the round of 32, Morocco and the Netherlands produced one of the most dramatic matches of the entire tournament. Morocco created the better chances in the first half, but couldn't find the breakthrough. Then, in the 72nd minute, Cody Gakpo gave the Netherlands the lead, and it looked as though qualification was within their grasp. But the Atlas Lions refused to give up. In the first minute of stoppage time, Issa Diop rose highest to score a dramatic equalizer with a powerful header, sending the match into extra time. After 120 minutes of relentless battle, the contest was decided by a penalty shootout. Once again, Yassine Bounou became Morocco's hero by saving the decisive penalty, before Ismail Saibari converted the winning kick, giving Morocco a 3-2 shootout victory after a 1-1 draw in one of the wildest and most unforgettable matches of the 2026 World Cup. Number 6. Belgium versus Senegal. If there was one match that perfectly captured the meaning of a comeback at the 2026 World Cup, it was Belgium versus Senegal. In the round of 32, Senegal started brilliantly, with Habib Diarra opening the scoring in the 25th minute. Early in the second half, Ismail Assar doubled the lead in the 51st minute, and everyone believed Senegal had one foot in the next round. But Belgium refused to surrender. In the 86th minute, Romelu Lukaku pulled one back, and just 3 minutes later, Yuri Tielemans equalized in the 89th minute, sending the match into extra time. Just when a penalty shootout seemed inevitable, Belgium were awarded a penalty in the closing moments of extra time. Tielemans calmly converted it in the 120-plus 5th minute to complete an incredible 3-2 victory, sealing one of the greatest comebacks in World Cup history. Number 5. Portugal versus Croatia. One of the craziest round of 32 matches was the clash between Portugal and Croatia. Although Portugal started the game on the front foot, it was Croatia who struck first, with Ivan Perisic scoring in the 53rd minute. Portugal kept pushing until a VAR review awarded them a penalty, which Cristiano Ronaldo converted in the 68th minute. The match remained wide open until the final seconds, and everyone expected extra time. But in the 90-plus fourth minute, Gonçalo Ramos rose highest to score a dramatic winning header, giving Portugal a 2-1 victory. The drama wasn't over yet, as Croatia found what looked like an equalizer in the final moments, only for VAR to disallow the goal for offside. Portugal secured a dramatic win and a place in the next round in one of the tournament's most entertaining matches. Number 4. England vs Argentina. Whenever England and Argentina meet in a World Cup semi-final, the world expects a classic, and that's exactly what happened. After a tightly contested first half, Anthony Gordon broke the deadlock in the 55th minute, putting England on course for their first World Cup final in many years. But Argentina refused to give up. In the 85th minute, Lionel Messi set up Enzo Fernandez for the equalizer, bringing the match back to life. Then, deep into stoppage time, Messi delivered another decisive assist, this time for Lautaro Martinez, who scored the dramatic winner in the 90-plus second minute. Argentina completed a stunning 2-1 comeback to book their place in the final after one of the most thrilling and dramatic matches of the tournament. Number 3. Argentina vs Egypt. One of the most unforgettable matches for Arab football fans was the round of 16 clash between Argentina and Egypt. Egypt shocked the world by taking the lead early through Yasser Ibrahim in the 15th minute. Just moments later, goalkeeper Mostafa Shoubir saved a penalty from Lionel Messi, preserving Egypt's advantage. In the 67th minute, Mostafa Zico doubled the lead, making it 2-2 and raising hopes of a historic upset. But the reigning world champions showed their experience in the closing stages. Cristian Romero pulled one back in the 79th minute, Lionel Messi equalized in the 83rd minute, and Enzo Fernandez scored the dramatic winner in the 90-plus second minute, completing a breathtaking 3-2 comeback in one of the most exciting and emotional matches of the 2026 World Cup. Number 2. England vs Mexico. If there was one match that combined world-class quality, non-stop excitement, and an incredible atmosphere, it was England vs Mexico in the round of 16. Playing at the legendary Azteca Stadium in front of a massive Mexican crowd, England made the perfect start. Jude Bellingham scored twice in quick succession in the 36th and 38th minutes, but Julian Quiñones pulled one back for Mexico in the 42nd minute to keep the contest alive. Early in the second half, England suffered a huge setback when Jarell Quansah was sent off in the 54th minute, forcing the Three Lions to play more than 40 minutes with 10 men. Despite the numerical disadvantage, England earned a penalty, which Harry Kane converted in the 60th minute to make it 3-1. Mexico refused to give up, and Raúl Jiménez scored from the penalty spot in the 69th minute, setting up a tense finale with relentless pressure from the home crowd. England held firm until the final whistle, securing a dramatic 3-2 victory and a place in the quarter-finals after one of the most thrilling matches of the 2026 World Cup. Number 1. England vs France. If one match truly deserved the top spot, it was England vs France in the third-place playoff. England came flying out of the blocks, with Declan Rice opening the scoring in the 3rd minute. Ezri Konsa doubled the lead in the 18th minute, before Bukayo Saka added a third in the 37th minute and then scored again in first-half stoppage time to make it 4-0 at the break. Everyone thought the game was over, but France produced an unbelievable comeback attempt in the second half. Kylian Mbappe scored in the 48th minute, Bradley Barcola added another in the 54th, and Mbappe struck again in the 66th minute to cut the deficit to 4-3, turning the match into an instant classic. In the 87th minute, Saka completed his hat-trick from the penalty spot to restore England's 2-goal advantage. France still refused to surrender, with Ousmane Dembélé making it 5-4 in the 90-plus 6th minute. Yet the drama wasn't over. Just 2 minutes later, Jude Bellingham scored England's 6th goal, sealing an unforgettable 6-4 victory in what many considered the wildest and most entertaining match of the 2026 World Cup. Those were the top 10 matches of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, games filled with goals, dramatic comebacks, and unforgettable moments that will live long in the memories of football fans. Not everyone will agree with the ranking, so let us know in the comments which match you enjoyed the most and whether another game deserved a place on the list. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.